friend Shinobi, and yeah, in today's video we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the Oppo watch. This is the 41mm version, which will set you back about 14,000 rupees. So yeah, I recently bought it, and yeah, this is my unboxing. So if you're interested, make sure to stick till the end. Alright, let's start up with the unboxing. So taking a quick look at the box, you may be thinking, yes, this looks like an Apple Watch. And yeah, it surely does, because yeah, they are trying to imitate the same kind of feel with the unboxing and the product itself. The unboxing is kind of similar to what Apple offers. So you have this white box with the product's image on the front and a few details here and there, and at the back you can see the price and all the good stuff. So quickly taking off the plastic wrapper around, and opening up the box, we first are greeted with the watch itself, which is wrapped up in a paper wrap, and beneath that you can see there is a pamphlet inside which there is nothing. Removing that, we have two things. First is the charger. So this is kind of a magnetic charger, but it does have the magnetic pin, and apart from this we have a few documentations which include the warranty document and the user manual. Alright, so keeping all that aside, let's take a look at the watch. Let's take out the wrapper, and yeah, this watch kind of looks like an Apple Watch by the design and everything. So I have got the black color because yeah, this one is the most preferable to me, and this is the 41mm size. So people with smaller hands or like average size hands like me can go for the 41mm, because there is another 46mm version, but that is just too big, although it has more specifications and it has a better build quality, but that costs about 19,000 rupees, and it's a very big watch. So the 41mm is kind of the right size for me, so I went with this one. And as you can see, the looks are quite similar to the Apple Watch. Alright, on the right side, as you can see, there are two buttons. So the green one is the main one, which can be used to like power on and off that device or wake it up. And then you have another big button. So this is the multifunction button, so you can assign a lot of things to this button, and yeah, it does quite a few things. And you can also assign quite a few functions to the power button mainly. Now on the back of the watch, you can see there are a few sensors, Oppo branding, and the magnetic pins. So yeah, the back is quite shiny and the sides are kind of shiny, but yeah, it's quite subdued like in comparison with the back of the watch. But I think this is all made out of plastic, and the front has Gorilla Glass protection, which is pretty cool. Now taking a look at the charger, you have the magnetic pin charger. So the watch just snaps right in on the charger, and it is pretty quick. So you have USB type A on one end of the charger, so you can use any power plug to charge it, or any USB port for that matter. And it also has fast charging, the Oppo VOOC fast charging, so the watch charges in about 1 hour completely. So this watch comes with the Snapdragon 3100 processor, and it comes with the Google's Wear OS, and it also has 1 GB of RAM. It's pretty power packed, so I think I'm gonna make a review on it, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, this was it for the unboxing. And yeah, if you liked it, then don't forget to hit that like button, and definitely subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. And this is friend Shinobi, and I'm signing out. Peace.